Shopify homepage redirect to product tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to redirect your Shopify homepage to a product page. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard. From the left vertical menu, click on Online Store. On the right side next to your current theme, click on the three-dot menu and then click Duplicate. We duplicate the theme because we'll be editing the theme code, and having a backup keeps your original theme safe in case anything goes wrong. Once the theme is duplicated, click the three dots again, and this time select Edit Code. The interface may look slightly different because of the latest Shopify UI update, but everything still works the same way. Now from the left sidebar, open the Layout folder and click on Theme.Liquid. On the right side, you'll see all the code for this file. We need to insert a small script that will redirect your homepage to any product you choose. Place this script above the head tag. I've already provided the code in the video description, so you can copy it from there. Paste the copied code here. We will add product web page will next to the products. So open your Shopify store in a new tab and go to the product page you want visitors to land on. From the address bar, copy the product URL path, not the whole link, just the part after your products page. Now return to the code editor and paste the copied product link inside the script. Now go back to the Shopify store and open homepage to have preview later. Once everything is in place, go to the top right corner and click Save. Now go back to your storefront homepage, refresh the page, and there you go. Your homepage now automatically redirects to the selected product page. And that's it. This is how you can easily redirect your Shopify homepage to a product page. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.